Today we're just outside Crosthwaite and we've got a very nice property to clean. It's called Arndale Cottage, which is it's actually an Airbnb or a holiday let. Very, very nice. So Arndale Cottage, and as you can see, this is where I did a test patch about a month ago. So although the walls don't actually look particularly bad, it's only when you see the test patch how well it will clean up. So we've got all the white render to do all the way around. We're just wetting the walls. I'll walk you around the front, but really nice place. Nice and quiet, but it doesn't look too bad. So, you see the window bottoms have got quite a lot of moss on them, and they'll all clean up. But really nice location, really nice. Walk round to the back. Oh, looks like Sparrowhawk has had something. Really nice grounds. At the back. When the sun's off it, you can see there's green algae there. There's a grey tinge to it here. Okay, it's looking really bad here, but it will really brighten it up. As I say, the paint is in very good order, so it's just freshen it up. Doesn't need repainting, just needs cleaning. It's really nice. Stream down there. So, let's see how we get on with this one. finished now on Dale Cottage, and I'll show you how it's looking. It's really good. This is where the test patch was, but obviously all the wall now is white. Really brightened it up. And the window bottoms. So there's dead moss there, that's just going to drop off now. And that's one of the things with soft washing, is that not only do we clean the render, but also the window sills and lintels. And a few of my customers have said, obviously you don't get that when you have it painted. But this property was in really good order. The paint's very good, and it's not going to need painting again. Oh, not this year, definitely not next. And then around the back, really brightened it up. The chimneys, there were some marks on the chimneys. We've got most of them. And spring is here. Daffodils. So we're very pleased with that, and hopefully the customer will be when he sees it. So if you've enjoyed the video, please press the like button, and if you subscribe, you'll get notifications of future videos. We've got a lot of new videos coming on. Unfortunately, we've actually got a police headquarters to do soon, and we're not going to be able to film there, but that's a massive job, and that should most probably take us about 2 weeks to complete. But we might be able to take a short video of the outside, but obviously once we get inside the courtyard we can't film. So, and we'll see you on the next one.